Good day. Let me introduce my presentation, Digital Twins, Versatility and Application in Medicine. Medical digital twins, a dynamic virtual representation of a patient, organ, or healthcare system that continuously update with real-time data, wearables, data of electronic health records, imaging, genomics. Medical digital twins can simulate and predict disease progression and outcomes. It enables earlier medical intervention and gives the opportunity for doctors to evaluate individual patient risks and disease severity more effectively and prescribe more personalized treatment plans and formulate preventive healthcare strategies. The aim of the study, based on current literature data, we aimed to analyze the information about the application, advantages and challenges of medical digital twins in modern medicine. Core application of medical digital twins in clinical practice next. Diseases diagnosis and prognosis, assessment of individual patient risks and disease severity, modeling effective treatment plans and predicting disease progression, personalized medicine and predictive modeling, simulation of individual responses to treatments and lifestyle changes. In silico clinical trials and drug development, creating virtual patient cohorts for drug testing, reducing research costs and accelerating development of new therapies and testing different scenarios without risk to real patients. Hospital and operational twins, optimizing workflows, resource allocation and patient flow. Real-time monitoring via integration with Internet of Medical Things wearables. 3 stages can be identified in the development and application of medical digital twins. First, early stage, organ-specific period, 2020 to 22. During this period, predominantly organ-specific medical digital twins were created. The main characteristics include limited real-time data integration, restricted multi-scale capabilities, and a focus on proof-of-concept development. Medical digital development concentrated on creating high-fidelity virtual replicas of individual organs or tissues. The most advanced models present virtual heart, bones, joints, and tumors. These medical digital twins were primarily built using magnetic resonance imaging, computed tomography, mechanistic models, and limited clinical data. For example, in cardiology, heart medical digital twins were used for modeling electrophysiology, hemodynamics, and intervention planning, for example, cardiac ablation procedure for arrhythmias. The fundamental methodology of this was established around 2020 and real clinical investigation was conducted in 2024-2026. In oncology, tumor medical digital twins were developed to stimulate tumor growth and analysis of response to chemotherapy and immunotherapy. In orthopedics, bone and joints models were applied for prosthesis, planning, and mechanical load prediction. During 2023-2024, we can observe a transition to hybrid mechanistic physics-based models plus data-driven and multi-scale medical digital twins with artificial intelligence integration and real patient data. The integration of artificial intelligence, wearable devices, patient records, and genomic data increased, promoting dynamics, real-time update medical digital twins. Active clinical application in this period included creating fast hybrid systems for chronic diseases, enabling personalized treatment prediction, optimizing medical devices, and launching early in silico trial pilots. During 2025-2026, the active development of medical digital twins continues. Cognitive medical digital twins are being created. Transition from research projects to clinical pilots took place, and regulatory science of using medical digital twins is being formulated. The focus shifted on whole body of human digital twins. Human digital twins integrates multimodal data, genomics, phenotypes, behavior, environment, etc. for precision medicine. Cognitive medical digital twins are self-adaptive and self-learning systems that use large language models and incorporate elements of autonomy, reasoning, and interaction. Significant progress has been achieved in regulatory science application, for example, FDA, EMA, the European variant, with for development frameworks for medical digital twins. Credibility assessment, generating in silico evidence, acceptance of in silico data for approvals, conducting virtual clinical trials, and partially replacing animal testing. Currently, medical digital twins is actively being researched and implemented in pulmonology, gastroenterology, rheumatology, endocrinology, and many other fields of medicine. However, certain difficulties and challenges are present on this path. Thus, for example, Barsi and another investigation analyzed the barriers of medical digital twins implementation and found a gap between the theoretical advantages of the technology and its real clinical effectiveness. Special attention is paid to the insufficient clinical validation of models, the problems of responsibility for prediction errors, and the difficulties of integration medical digital twins into the workflows of medical facilities. The others emphasize the need to create standards for assessing the quality of medical digital twins and a system of independent audit of models. Conclusions. Medical digital twins is a key technology for personalized medicine of the future. They increase the effectiveness of treatment, help formulate preventive healthcare strategies, reduce costs and ethical risks. Further implementation requires solving some issue of data quality, security, and accessibility. Thanks for attention.